These cool season vegetables have seen their day. Mustard greens, cauliflower, kale, broccoli, cabbage. We're ready to pull these out of the garden and get this ready for our spring tomatoes, bell peppers, our warm season vegetable plants. So this is a great way to get your family involved. I have my little helper here. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Olivia, can you help me with these plants? We're gonna pull them out of here and get rid of these. You can throw these out by the road. Now you wanna make sure you pull everything up. You get the roots while you're at it. We've also got some weeds growing in here right now, so let's go ahead and pull those out. See all that? That's why you gotta replace the soil. Pulls up all the soil with it. All right, we've got the weeds and old plants out of the garden. Now we want to till it up before we add in our compost and garden soil to replace the soil that was removed from the box when we pulled up the old plants. Okay, we've got the old plants out, the weeds out, and we've tilled, and now we're ready to backfill with some garden soil. And I also have here some cow manure and compost. These both have a little bit of fertilizer in them to help plants get started. So we go ahead and fill it in, and then we're gonna level it out. Kind of mix them together. We've got our vegetable bed ready for our warm season vegetables. Forget it growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.